The following film is a work of fiction. It is loosely based on historical events and is in no way meant to be historically accurate.
These stories tell you how he did it.
It's everyone's favorite part. Unless, of course, you are the meal.
God, I wish that was me.
What will you learn? That your actions have consequences! This world tastes like dirt!
From the very beginning, I never felt like I fit in.
All wrong!
Sorry! I'm tired now.
No!
What's wrong with how to rat-a-twang your panda?
What is this? What? Horizon seems clear.
Hold on. You see this line? Do not come into my...
Who are you talking to? This guy right here.
It's you, Charlie.
How do we address it, sir? With cranberry sauce.
I like 'em big. I like 'em chunky.
It's high noon.
Chill!
It was a misinput. Misinput. Calm down! You calm the fuck down! There's a misinput!
I'll show you courage.
Jenny! Jenny! Hey!
I want to see the manager!
I've come back from the future to tell you something really important. What is it?
Free real estate.
Oh, what? Who are you?
Banjo and Kazooie!
Robots, play our song.
What the f*** is that?
It wasn't the great turkey, it was always Reggie.
Yeah, no shit, Sherlock!
I gotta tell you, it was perfect. Perfect. Everything, down to the last minute details.